could do so much better. You're not going to.
Ethan's performance sucked. It really is a performance because you're on camera the whole time, whether it's me or Jacob.
Man.
Ooh, snap. Bro.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Jacob, you getting ready
Oh,
up, my dude?
Oh, I'm so sorry. Hold on.
Happened in the song.
No.
That's not. You should do it in the other one,
Oh,
Jacob.
can I delete that? Delete. Delete. I swear that was going to you, bro. There we go.
I just texted you. Canes?
Yeah,
Yeah.
bro.
Single?
Yeah.
Ooh! Tinder? Oh.
No.
No.
Yeah. What about? Wait. Yeah. Oh. That's something. That's something like a 15-year-old would say.
Bro,
Oh,
bro,
she
bro.
added a-
Yeah.
Oh.
Like,
So if we
without-
combine mine and Jacob's levels, we hit level 100.
Yeah, she followed me on those two too.
Bro.
What? Yeah.
You know her dad drives a Tesla?
Yeah. I
Wow,
did, actually.
I want to drive a Tesla.
Lit. Right?
Yeah, when I
Same.
was talking to her. Yeah.
Okay, I just
You
saw a
were
couple
talking
care. Did y'all see that?
At one point.
There are 2 care packages that just landed. Did this game not just start?
Yeah,
Oh, it did.
It was like last year at this time. I was
Oh,
talking to
okay.
her. Yeah.
We're getting this crate.
What crate?
No, we're not. Oh, it's over.
You're gonna run! You run the other way! Ah, Lane!
Ooh, that's got a kick.
Lane!
Yeah,
I
bud.
think they're after me!
No, that's
Okay.
my fence. You can go through that.
Oh, I didn't know I could go through that like last game, and so I was going around it the entire
Well,
time.
if it's like a reddish color, you can't.
Oh, okay. Oh, Ethan is
Dying.
No, bro. I got one down.
Yeah, we'll pick you up in a bit.
Yeah, just give us a sec. You know, ooh, there's a. Is that a Havoc? Oh, a triple take? I'll take a triple take instead of 2 alternators, you know what I'm saying?
I think anybody would take that.
Right.
You only need the one alternator. Did you even pick up the energy ammo?
You know something?
I don't
Probably
think you
not.
did.
Well, I mean, I have extra. Oh.
I'm going for Ethan.
We're coming, Ethan!
Thank you.
Oh! They see us! Oh, they left you alive? That's so
He's got
much
a triple
harder.
take! My arc star.
Archstar out. Charging shields. Come on.
And we outie.
Run like the dang wind, boys.
Okay.
Run like the wind, bullseye.
Don't crack.
Hey, I'm a crack. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Yikes.
I didn't mean it like sound. Okay. Yeah.
Cracky.
We got a crackhead over here. He knew.
Yo, we got a cracky. Yo, did anybody go in bunker?
Hey, there's an extended
think-
energy mag here.
Hey, I got an Elin, bro.
Nice. Wait, that guy actually died?
Yeah.
Oh, got a wingman.
So I'm back to having a R99 and a shotgun again.
Of course you are. Yo, let's go there in bunker. No, they're not.
I'm low, bro.
Dude, I'm low too.
Nah, you got full
Not as
shield,
low
you're
as
fine.
me.
Myself up.
First to fight. Oh, you're right. It's a party. Yo, I took down the dragon's box.
It's only a blue though.
Care.
He don't care. Boom, boom, bum, 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 bum.
I guess that makes him a honey
Got
badger, because
him.
honey badger don't
Oh,
care.
what do you mean I don't? What, boy? This got some loot. Give me the loot.
Yes. I
Oh,
love
we
it.
should go to the zone.
Ah!
Again?
Wow.
Oh my god.
Bo, his shots were on, Bo. Never mind. He sucks.
Just the two of us now. I'll try to keep us safe.
Dang, man.
Laying this for that quick escape. You know what I'm saying?
Y'all just leave me. Just
Even
go.
though that quick escape goes outside the zone, but it'll be fun.
It's alright. It's alright. We could just cut back. Oh, I see him.
I'll wait here and provide. Actually, you provide cover fire. You have a sniper.
I hit him once.
They've spotted me.
I only hit him for 22. 48.
It's okay. You don't have to hit him for much. Okay, we got him. We got him, Jacob. We're out.
Oh,
We're out.
God.
This is a rescue Ethan mission.
I'm Audi R8, boy.
Okay, go to the launch pad. Don't revive Ethan here.
Okay.
Wait, why? Oh. Yeah, run.
Could they follow us? He'll die.
Oh!
Are you getting shot?
No. Oh, you're going to the launch pad. I didn't know what the hell you were.
Yeah, the launch pad. That thing.
It's alright. I'm running. Like I said, I'm
There's a
Audi
care
R8,
package
boy.
over here, and I want it.
You should have revived me there.
We're gonna revive.
Jacob's
I'm gonna
right
revive you
there.
right here.
Okay, alright.
Look, I know you want this care
Love how you
package
opened up,
too,
but you
but
didn't do anything.
as we've previously stated, dead people don't have rights here. Okay, actually though, there was nothing good except the purple helmet.
There's a new kill leader.
Why am I out of the zone?
Because that spawn point was outside of the zone.
Oh, it wasn't.
Long walk to
No,
the
it
next ring.
It is slightly. Oh, you got shot at, Ethan. Watch out.
No. I
No,
didn't.
you did. I just watched the shot go over your head while you were falling.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Ah!
shot at two from the left.
I wonder who said that.
Someone's targeting me.
Jacob.
What?
Body shield here.
Oh,
Level 1.
nothing.
Oh my god, they shot me.
Healing my enemy.
Sounds
Oh my
alright.
god, you on the next games.
Okay, get ready. We're covering this door.
Ooh.
They're coming! Oh, everyone ditched
Oh, I'm
me.
running.
Why would you run?
Why not run?
Because we could have fought it.
I hate the wingman.
Grenade coming in.
Now we gotta run though.
Tossing a grenade.
God.
It's go time.
I'm gonna be leaving soon to go to the gym. Just
Just topping up
FYI.
my shield.
Is that you telling us not to get your banner, or?
No, not like soon, like in the next 5, but like 20, 30.
1 minute.
Okay.
Rings close by.
So yeah, get my banner.
Charging shields. Come on, come on.
Make my life hard.
Did y'all kill them?
No, we didn't kill them.
Defense is
Y'all
complete.
ran, like I said to, in the first place.
Okay, we could have fought it, but then you were like,
Yep.
no, let's run, and then you
45
got
seconds.
shot.
You ready, Jacob? You ready for this?
Yeah, I'm ready, Ethan. Take that crack, you know what I'm saying?
Ah!
Yeah, perfect.
Alright, cool. They're over by lane.
That's perfect. You looked at me.
Ah!
Someone push the fence. Get ready. Just topping up my shield.
They're in here with me!
Well, you got nothing, though.
I know.
Oh, this is a sick kill animation that they have, though.
Got you.
It looks like you're lagging.
Yeah.
Lower the settings.
But I'm not. That's the thing.
You're not lagging?
No.
Oh, you can give me. They're finding somebody else. Oh,
gonna turn some of this stuff down.
they're on your right. They're actually on your everywhere, but he got greedy.
Get out there, boy.
You also gotta get to the zone in 30 seconds.
Yeah, go left.
Yeah, go back towards them.
Yeah. But like away from them, you know?
I would boost yourself.
Oh, there's somebody above you too.
Ethan, boost yourself. The zone's gonna catch up to you.
No, you're fine, you're fine.
No, it's not.
We're fine.
They're
Now I'm
right
going to.
above-
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Oh my gosh, Ethan, he got out of there.
You assume he got away. They could chase him still.
I know. Oh! We love Phoenix kids.
Try to spot it.
Yo,
There's only one
Yeah.
revive station left. No, that one doesn't work. That one doesn't work. Somebody just revived there.
Ethan, you gotta go to the other one over here.
Ethan, do you not have game sounds on?
I do. Cause there's only like 3 squads left.
Bro, we could do this. We could do this. We could do this. We can win this.
We. He says if we can get any guns
Bro.
before they find you.
Yeah.
Ethan, why are you
Ethan,
stopping?
go
Go!
Bro, I'm going right now, bro.
Me and Jacob are both like, why are you stopping?
I stopped
Oh
for like
my
half a second, bro.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, alright.
Look at that.
He said, let me take the ammo. Instead of going to revive you guys. Chances of survival with one person? Very, very low. Survival with 3?
I don't know, if
Oh,
he was
might have a
Wraith, you
chance.
could survive with one person. Wraith's pretty
Yeah.
easy to survive with.
I'm dead though. Is this gonna bring us both or is it just one at a time?
You got it. Y'all got it. Let's go.
It goes both.
Oh yeah.
Now get
Hopefully
y'all's
one of
guns.
those crates have a gold weapon, that'd be nice.
Dude, I'll take the Mozambique. It's something.
In this situation, nah.
Okay,
In
I got a
this situation?
Kraber.
Ooh. Ooh, we oh.
I don't got a Kraber? There we go, I got a Kraber.
And we got a launch fighter here too.
Keeping an eye out here.
That's righteous.
Well, 2 eyes. Through goggles.
Ooh, yeah, give me that prowler. Shots to my right. Was that east?
I am ignoring everything until I get satisfactory loot.
I feel you. There's a.
I mean, I'll
Havoc
come
right
help
here.
y'all if you're getting shot,
Get
but
inside the ring.
Yeah, there's a Havoc right here. There's a flatline.
Care package coming in.
I've actually got pretty good weapons right now.
I mean, I'm okay. If I just had a chest piece, I'd be
Only
alright.
2 other squads left. Body shield here. Level 1.
That one crate I opened had like everything I needed.
Did I
Except a
really
good
pass
shield.
that?
Body shield here. Level 1.
Yeah.
I'm a nerd.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, there's only one more squad. Oh, I see
I
them.
need a peacekeeper, bro.
There's
Oh.
only
They're
one
right
more?
there.
There's 2 squads left.
Yeah,
Spotted an
2
enemy.
squads other than us, and they're fighting.
Oh, okay. Oh my god.
As I die.
Lane, are you
Wow.
okay? Don't die on us.
Dying in real life hurts a lot more than dying in the game.
Inside the ring. I'm positive.
Oh, there's another crate right here. Let me just pick this up real fast. Why are you shooting that? You're just
Yeah,
telling
save-
them where we're at.
that- yeah,
Ooh,
save your
gold,
ammo, bud.
gold shotgun over here.
Ooh, for real?
Yeah.
Massive shotgun here.
You know, I'll take it. Why not?
Okay, cool. We got a Kraber and a Mastiff.
That's a sniper, right?
Yeah, the Kraber's a sniper. There's another crate over here. Let's see if we can get the L star and just complete it. We'll give it to Jacob. We can each have a gold weapon. Nope.
The L.
Oh, there's another Mastiff.
Yo, I'll take it. I
Dual
don't, have,
wield
I don't have
masters.
shotgun though.
No, don't dual wield Mastiffs, Ethan,
That's
please.
what
We just have to be ready for when one of the teams dies. That's when we move in.
We gotta go now.
Yo,
we gotta go now.
who needs heavy ammo?
Whoa, chill, Ethan. Chill. That's the guy that killed you earlier, Ethan. Misfit? That's the guy that killed you earlier today.
Yeah, for real.
Let's go, bro. We gotta.
Okay, go.
Final two.
Charge!
Oh,
Although
Not even
Misfit's
fighting.
kind of hard carry. Let's just go to zone, actually. Let's
Yeah,
not
go
out.
back to zone,
Let's
buddy,
not
I'll
fight
do it.
outside the zone.
I need more shotgun ammo, dude.
Let's use
actually,
the
I
jump
think-
pad or the launch pad, and let's get on top of the building.
I heard that.
Did you hear that?
And just in case they go inside somewhere, I'm gonna put down some traps.
Fence in position. The circuit is complete. Setting a
Alright,
fence.
I'm on the building.
We're already inside the ring. Damn.
Do you see them, Jacob?
No.
I almost got knocked off.
Yes.
Yes? Oh, I see him. Yep. Oh, that was so close to hitting. Did you see that, Jacob?
Oh, you gotta
my
give me the
God.
sniper, boy.
You
Wouldn't
can hide
you like
inside that
to know,
house?
sniper boy? Are they
He's
running out?
outside the. Oh! I'm being shot from the right. Far right.
I spotted an enemy.
Yeah, get him, Jacob.
Charging my shield.
Oh yeah, with the D7.
They're really far away. Let's just stay in the zone.
Yeah.
We got zone over here.
Yeah, Ethan, back up.
Wow, bro.
Ethan, back up. That guy's a really good shot.
Bro, that was one shot of him.
Tyson.
Charging on my shield.
That's crazy.
Yo, close the doors. Get inside, close the doors.
I'm watching. The roof. One's right below us now.
He's gold.
Thermite grenade. Fire in the hole.
Throwing a grenade.
Ah!
Got you.
There's one up top, Yo, I got misfit.
The other two should be at least low. I shot their shields.
One more.
He's outside.
Kill that man, Ethan.
Wait. Over here. Nice.
We got the dub, bro. We got the dub. Let's go.
Killed him, bro. We
Let's
killed him
go.
inside. We killed you at the end, bro.
I can't believe we lasted this
We got
long,
the
to be
dub.
honest.
We got the
Let's go.
dub.
That was
We
clutch.
Champions.
Woo!
Yeah.
Look at that, bro.
Lane, where were you at with the kill, bro?
Where were you at with the damage?
Bro, but I got a kill.
I was on
Look at
top
those free
shooting them while they
kills.
kept running in. That guy, Mistiff, when you killed him, I shot his shield while he was running inside.
Bro, Jacob, when you said I got Mischief, I'm like, this is it.
Dude, when I
is
when I got him, I was like, we
We won. He was their best shot.
Honestly, I got him with my mastiff.
Woo!
Shot to the dome, boy.
That's a good one.
Get out of
Literally, like, it was just a series of revives. I'm literally just a revive train.
Yeah, dude. Hey, but that came in clutch.
Well, that and those, like, 4 crates at the very end.